Welcome back to my channel. This is a room tour of the King non-smoking room at the Rodeway Inn in Sierra Vista, Arizona. It's rated a 4.8 out of 5, and it's a pretty nice room for an inexpensive stay. It's got a microwave in the room. It's got a desk and a chair with a coffee maker. Flat screen TV. It's got a sitting chair and table. Alarm clock. It's got a mini refrigerator. And the bathroom with a shower tub. Nice clean room, and they also offer a continental breakfast in the morning. If you're looking for something cheap and inexpensive, definitely a good place to check out when you're in Sierra Vista, Arizona. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time.